Hey YouTube, this is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing y'all step by step on how to achieve a 2-strand flat twist. I'll be showing how to flat twist toward the left and flat twist toward the right. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're actually in the second installment of our Back to the Basics series. For this style, you'll need a rat tail comb for your parting, and whenever you are learning, I always recommend practicing on a mannequin doll head. This is very affordable from Amazon. I will link it down below. Whenever I am doing flat twists, I always use mousse, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use any product on the doll's hair. This tutorial was highly requested from my Instagram page. I did want to say that I am not a hairstylist, that everything that I do is self-taught, so please keep that in mind. There are two different ways to do the 2-strand flat twist, and one way is when you're twisting toward the right and then twisting toward the left. I will be doing both of those for the purpose of this video, because I do think there's benefits in knowing how to twist in both directions, and I will get into that shortly. First, let me get this hair out the way. Okay, so I don't know if y'all just watched my how to cornrow video, but that's the first installment of this series. This next one is going to be a little bit easier to do. But it's still going to be the same concept, just with you having 2 strands instead of 3 strands like a floor braid. So first, I'm going to part the first portion of my section. I always like to do that just to give myself a starting point. Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is separate this into 2 even tails. Make sure the tail's even, y'all, okay? Make sure the tail's even. So when I start this off, this is my hand placement, 2 of these, like this, straight like that, okay? So I got both of my pieces like this, and they're fairly even. Since I'm going to be doing these toward the right, we're going to start going this way, okay? Or placing this under, so going toward the right. So when I start off, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to secure this with this finger like I did with the other video, but I'm going to secure it like this, okay? I told y'all when I start off my sections, I always like to do 2 rotations, so I'm going to start that off like that with 2 rotations of the twisting. Next, I hold both of these here. I take this, just like I did my cornrow video, pull this up, add it to the section that is at the bottom. So you see you have one at the top, one at the bottom. You're going to add that to the section that's at the bottom. You're going to scoop that under, and you'll have your thumb under like that, and then you're going to secure it like this. Once you have it secured, you're going to reset your hands in the starting position, and then you're going to twist around toward the right. Reset your hands, hold that there, hit this up here, scoop it under. Reset your hands, do it that way, go around. Now, some people actually learn how to flat twist first and then cornrow. I think that's actually how I learned. So whichever one floats your boat, you can look at either one, but they pretty much have the same concept, just one has 2 strands, the other has 3. But you're gonna keep doing this around. Main thing, like I always say, is hand placement. You want to make sure that the sections that you're adding are not too big, just so it doesn't get chunky and looks a mess. But you're gonna pull, push that in with this, scoop it and secure it under the part that's at the bottom. Secure it, go around. Reset your hands, take this, push it up here. Secure it, starting position, go around. Hold it, pick this up here, secure it, hit this, go around. Hit that, pick this up here, secure it, go around. And that is how you do a flat twist going toward the right. So let me finish this one and then we'll talk about going toward the left. So now that we have this one going toward the right, we're going to start on the one going toward the left. To me, the benefit of knowing how to flat twist in both sections, it just depends on which side of your head you are twisting. So if I'm on the right side of my head, I like to twist toward the right. If I'm on the left side of my head, I like to twist toward the left. That is just, a personal preference of mine. You don't have to do it like that. But I think whenever I do a twist out, it just looks better if the twist going toward on the right side are going this way and then the twist on the left side going that way. But that's just a preference of mine. But we're going to start it off the same way. You got your front section. And then you're going to split that into 2 even tails. And then same positioning. But when you're going toward the left, this part that's toward the left here goes under, okay? So, on this side, this part went under because we're going toward the right. But since we're going toward the left, the one furthest to the left is going to go this way. So we're going to start off this way. We're going to go here. And y'all, I'm not left-handed, so I do this a little more awkward. I don't even know if I can explain it, but I'm going to go ahead and secure it this way. So I'm still going to take my left hand and push up since I am right-handed. Push it up here. Secure it with my right thumb back here. And then I'm going to twist. Now, I know this may look flicked because I'm right-handed, but this is the only way I know how to do it. So I'm going to go around, and I do mine like that. But I'm going to hold it here, secure it. Push this up here, and I'm making sure that the hair that I'm adding is going to be on the tail that's at the bottom because you had that tail at the top. So I'll hold that there, secure it. And I'm going around this way. And I hold this here, secure it, push it up under my thumb. Take this here, and I twist it like that. Now, you're probably going to see that my right twist looks so much better than my left twist, but that's because I'm right-handed. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to show it to y'all. But you see here, that's how you do it. Pick that up, going this way, twist it. Right here, going this way. Take this, and then I twist it. Take this, push it up. Then I do this here, and then I twist it. As y'all can tell, this one looks so much better than this one, but this is my dominant hand. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I was gonna show y'all both. But main thing with this is keeping it tight, so you're gonna pull this one and then go around. So here are the twists. We're going in opposite directions. This one is going toward the right. This one is going toward the left. And I hope y'all found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Any requests, I can try to get that out to y'all, or you can write me on my Instagram page. I am going to link that down below. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.